I am sharing a flip through of my brand new book, Pacific Northwest Line Drawing, where we are going to draw flowers and trees, mushrooms, birds, animals, landmarks, and more. This book is a love letter to this beautiful region that I am so fortunate to call home. So let me show you what to expect in here. There are over 150 different things that you can draw step by step, and this is great for any age and any level of drawing, whether you've never picked up a pen before, which, let's be real, I know you have, but it will also be good for kiddos. I am giving you some tips on how to hold your pen for that nice flow, and then also a note to embrace imperfections, because I think that the imperfections is a huge part of the charm of line drawing. And so you can see right off the bat, we're going to start with florals, because you can never go wrong with florals. Each one of these is broken down into steps, and you will see that they are color coded so that you know exactly which lines to bring in for each step. My favorite part about this is the fun fact. I know that drawing is so much fun, and there is so much of that to be had in here, but I can't tell you how fun it was to be able to share things either that I knew or that I got to look up and discover and learn as well. You can see we've got trees and branches and stems and different types of foliage, and then here we are into fauna, and these are all animals that you'll find in the Pacific Northwest. Animals, they have their own really interesting facts, and it's so fun to get to learn about them. Like, did you know the elk weighs up to 700 pounds? The more you know, am I right? It's so much fun. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on this and to play. You have so much drawing ahead of you. I cannot wait. We're also moving into landmarks in Pacific Northwest, so if you like to have a nice sketch of scenery, it is fun to play with these easy one-point perspectives in line drawing. I can't wait to see what you guys all create.